Yo, YouTube. Chronicler is a different breed of artist. No joke. Different breed of artist. As soon as I listen to him latest track and feel like say you're all caught up and you're all caught up to all his music and shit, you go on this page and you realize say, yo, this man dropped like 12 videos in the last week and you haven't caught up to shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, but I gotta catch up with Chronicler, man, cause I listened to the last song I reacted to. I thought, you know, I caught up to his music. You gonna take a while, man. I went on his page, man, dropped like 14 videos in the last week, bro. You see me, last 2 weeks, 14 video, dog. I didn't even have one a premiere today or tomorrow, bro. Like, I don't think nobody got the work ethic that Chronicler do, bro. But yeah, we don't know how to put your work in and catch back up. Yeah, man. So today we have a new track. They want to name Still Dark. Yeah, man, Chronicler Island Boss. I want to name Still Dark. I don't know when this one missed me, bro. It dropped a month ago. Oh, this dropped a month ago. I mean, I know. I don't know. But it did. I'm going to react to it, dog. React to it today. This is Chronicler Island Boss, Still Dark. And let's check it out, gang. Let's get it. What's that? Yeah, I the V6 beat this. I want it like clean. Easy, mama.
Still dark and stubborn, this a baby tired dirty like a pot pants go.
Still dark and stubborn, this a baby tired dirty like one pot pants score. Hey!
But Barbie, if me girl can't.
Easy, mama.
Make sure the ring on my car have power. Clip longer than clock tower, night white like flower, rich badness.
Yo, that long you fucking up. Clip longer than clock tower. Clip longer than clock tower. You ever see clock in the glass center, bro? Say, I'll me up in a thing, so, bro. It clip longer than that, bro. Nah, fight. Nah, tap fire till the dead, dude. No, sir.
Our lifestyle. I ever when me bring the gun, yeah, I'ma walk me nigga, them don't talk like gunna, yo. Spanish town to
whoa, man, say, yo, everywhere me go, me bring them gunna, dog, and I hope for me, dog, they not talk like gunna. Pump or clip. Can you climb touch it, what go on the hip hop, man, in America, man. Because if y'all don't know, Young Thug and Gunna was pulled over in a car. In the car that they got pulled over, they also had a firearm. And you see me, they both got locked up. But when they got locked up, okay, it's alleged that when they got locked up and they're in custody, Gunna did put out a statement saying that the firearm that they found in the car was not his. Okay? He didn't say it belonged to Young Thug or snitch on Young Thug. All he said it didn't belong to him. Okay, which you can to defend yourself, but a lot of people think that he's like second-hand or dry snitching. Because if you're saying not yours, who are you saying it belong to? You're basically saying it belong to Young Thug. No, but because it's also up to Young Thug saying it's not his, and for the police then for do an investigation and find out how he get there. You see me I say, but yeah man, guy, we'll continue the thing, bro. Yeah man, Chronicler know what.
To them know we a killer and we girl can't stush. No gun push, them ends a get ambushed, man.
Man say we a killer and we girl can't stush. Me not agree with the part, my girl fi stush your fuck. Me no give a fuck. Yeah man, my girl, not toward me, but to other people, I know she toot up like she smell shit. Me no business, ask stush mama.
The foot broken, I giant and no bamboo. You ever see a bullet longer than can?
I'm to know a woman acting like, when did being stush and having like a higher standards, when did that become a bad thing? I don't understand that. I don't even know a stush girl. That's how I end up with the fuck girl, them I love the fuck. Cause maybe if they stush, they will have a little bit of standard and a little bit of, you know? Yeah, man. I understand you want girls that down to earth, no, but you mean, you know what I'm saying, but yeah.
Angle, make a girl cheeky pussy hole like Samson. Yo, Irie, me not too nice.
Man, I take it to the bar, make a girl cheeky like Samson, bro.
I have a AK with two pussy advice. Rapid and single, my dog, make a choice. Tell them about the me and swell up on.
Man, it's a rapid and single, bro. Make a choice, man. Oh, you want it? Rapid burst, you want it one at a time. Can you get it, you know? I know that it's fully cheap, you know. But we can't turn on cheap and do the make your finger goes to work. You see me do the finger play. Why for that blood clean? Trigger work, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
No rise, yo. Silence, I forgot harmonize. Me love 40 ball and me trust 45. Now forget love from
God. Man say silence, I fi gonna harmonize. Me love 40 ball and me love 45, bro.
Love war like me live all my life. Spanish down to back bush. Yellas, we have we place like to them know we a killer. We girl can't touch. No prom push them ends I get ambush.
Yeah, that a go on. Yeah, man, we a killer. We girl in a touch, brother. You see me? You know what time? It's a no prom push thing, bro, over here. You see me? No joke.
Push my the foot broken, I giant and no bamboo. You ever see a bullet longer than candle? If you feel bad, drink tea and
yeah, man, foot broken I cannot. Hey, you see a bullet longer than candle. That would be the crocodile teeth. You know, Skilly telling you the crocodile teeth. That's some bullet. Hey, enough.
Yo, Irie, we no love tag. Yeah, we popular for dog. Them are gonna go for blood like Jackie and me dog. When we in school and me brought you.
I'm gonna want blood like Jackie and me dog, bro. Like a horror movie, yo.
Come dog. Know me, I'm a matic off a charge. Everywhere me kill, no only body in me yard. And yo, me cannot left me guns. I tell the officer for gone.
No, me not kill me only body in me yard. Me can't left me go to tell the officer for gone.
When we a go to school and me brought you come dog.
No. Yeah, man, remember them days there, bro. I'm going to school. I'm chick on my dog. I'm a 3-star on my side, bro. I'm tear man with the edge cut off. You see me? Sometimes you can't take it out. You have to just take it and stab to. You see me? Boy real quick. I'm tear man. Yeah, man. Miss them days, bro. Me at school, I'm not left by knife, you know, bro. You see me outside. Even when I went to high school up here, you see me? But I ain't never get caught with that shit, though. You know what I'm saying? Like kids used to get. I always have to have my palm.
Everywhere me kill, no only body in me yard. And yo, me cannot left me guns. I tell the officer.
On them dad, them team 3-star, last 3-star me have to, you know. Just remember, you know. You know your blood class self, you know. Take me 3-star, you know. Hey, boy. Yo.
Hey. To that clip, I been up you. That thing said that the farmer dog to win enough. You know every taxi I for calm.
To win enough fear every taxi I for calm, man. Yeah, man. Chronic Club.
Still in my prime, go remind them. Never left in 9X. Fashionista ask me when me get me style them. Gun match it.
Well, Climans, I'm still in my prime. Go remind them, bro. Never left in 9X, bro. I'm here, bro. Hey, but I think say man soft up and cool up around here.
Boot and the boot match your boy vest. Tell the soup we have can, but them hard for your digest. You see that weed the way I get.
Yeah, but that's all like curry class. Still have blood clot wordplay. Man say tell the soup say we have a can, but they not easy for digest. You see me I say, hey, if you know, you know.
Devo Mount Everest know we highness. KRK box down if you like we Kyle them. Ireland. Spanish town to Backbush. Yalas, we have a place locked to them know we are
yeah, man, we have a place locked, you know. Yeah, man, big up client and all.
Now we girl can't touch. No pram push, them ends I get ambush. Foot broken, I giant and no bamboo.
No, sir.
Never see a bullet longer than candle. Make a girl chick.
Foot broken, I giant. Think a bamboo this? Think a cane this? Nah, bro.
Keep pussy one like Samsung. Yo, Irie.
Man.
Yeah, man, that this one you see.
Easy no tickers. Hey, easy.
Midnight, man, right 1 o'clock. Believe no man, father. One karma. Trouble.
Easy now, man. Trouble. Buckley. Chronic Lap on them. I mean, guy. Only thing about that one there. Yeah, man. Chronic Lap doing thing, bro. The law boss. I was put in work, man. Wordplay, lyrics, melodies. Always a match. One of the top artists in a dance hall. Lyrically. You know what I'm saying? Metaphorically. Literally. You see me I say? Yeah, one of the best artists in a dance hall right now. I just need like, yo, the artists them to put in some work promoting their songs. You see me, not advertise songs on social media and in Jamaica, but you're not advertising overseas, bro. You see me? If pushing China, that's why artists not going international, because you're not putting yourself when marketing in those markets. How the hell, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have a marketing budget, man, and push the culture again like one time. I don't know. Yeah, man. But anyway, guy. Yeah, man. Chronic Lap did this thing. The one of them still dark. My Island Boss. You see me, dope track. It's on the V6 Redeem. Really enjoy that one. Chronic Lap very talented. I was like doing some dope stuff. You see me? I do some mad thing. You see me? Yeah, man. So shout out to Chronic Lap. Shout out to Chronic Lap. We keep doing this thing. We growing. If you like it, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dance. Send you see me, drop on the comments in the comment section and we can chop it up. You see me? Yeah, man. So till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.
Play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ.